Now let's check back in with Storm Watch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman to give us the latest on this winter weather impacts we're seeing. Matt.
Well, we are seeing at least some light snow right now in Klamath Falls. Roads, though, as you can see, rather slippery and slick with a fresh coating of snow, but there's much more snow on the way as the night progresses. Let's take a look further to the north along Highway 97 through Klamath County. Look at this heavy snow. This is a 138 and 97. Big flakes, and we are seeing rounds of heavier snow pushing into the Cascades, parts of the east side, and other higher terrain areas in our region. And we will see dangerous travel conditions overnight into tomorrow morning because of heavy snow, snowfall rates 1 to 2 inches per hour, and you add the wind on top of that, we could see some pretty whiteout conditions. And there will be some lingering snow tomorrow afternoon into Thursday, keeping road conditions definitely not ideal for a lot of our higher passes in the region. Winter storm warnings in place above 2,000 feet for most inland areas. This goes until 4 p.m. tomorrow. We're expecting several inches of snow on the east side, much of Siskiyou County, and even lower elevations. We'll see some snow, but that's going to be very dependent on how quickly snow levels drop later tonight and shower activity as we go through the day tomorrow. More on that when we get to Stormcast. But here's a look at the current conditions right now with the satellite and radar to the loop over the last hour. Those darker blues, that's the heavy snow that's moving up along the Cascades. Snow really picking up along 97, and snow will likely pick up in intensity here pretty quick in Klamath Falls. This band of heavier rain and snow will continue to work its way inland as we head through tonight. Just seeing rain though in Grants Pass and Medford, and should stay rain through tonight, but we do expect snow levels to continue to drop into tomorrow. Winds are picking up, and it will be pretty gusty overnight tonight, especially in our higher elevations. Gust 40 to 50 miles per hour or more overnight. So we're seeing gusts up to 31 miles per hour right now at Mount Sexton. Temperatures 40 in Medford, 28 degrees in Klamath Falls. It's 36 in Montague. And as we head into tomorrow, again, heavy snow, especially in our higher elevations, especially above 2,000 feet. And we could see, again, those whiteout conditions for higher terrain areas along and east of the Cascades. That combination of heavy snow and strong winds. And then eventually those snow levels making it down to the valley floors. They will bump up a little bit overnight tonight. Over the next couple of hours, they're already starting to go up a bit, but snow levels will start crashing down as we head into tomorrow. And by mid to late morning, we'll have to watch the valley floors. Underneath some of those heavier snow showers, we could see snow reach down to the valley floors and start to accumulate. So there is a winter weather advisory through 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. We'll be watching that closely though through the day. Here's Stormcast. As we go later tonight, snow levels start dropping back down west of the Cascades. Eventually a changeover to snow at our lower I-5 passes, Hayes Hill. Very snowy tomorrow morning through the basin, much of Siskiyou County, the Mount Shasta area. Travel going to be pretty difficult across a good chunk of our region as we head through tomorrow. And notice those lower snow levels. We will see periods of snow even through tomorrow afternoon and evening for lower elevations, including our valley floors. And we'll have some lingering rain and snow shower activity into Thursday. An update on snow amounts. Pretty impressive. It's going to be a pretty significant snow, especially along the Cascades, up to 2 to 3 feet of snow, maybe some light accumulations for Medford, up to a few inches for some of our lower passes in the area, over a foot for Siskiyou Summit, 4 to 8 inches in Klamath Falls and Mount Shasta. Tomorrow, it's going to be a chilly day, more rounds of rain and snow impacting the region, but much lower snow levels, and we will see some heavier snow if you're planning to head to Mount Shasta Ski Park tomorrow for that big opening day. Not only very snowy, but also pretty windy as well. Your 7-day forecast, the next storm system moving in Friday, Saturday, periods of heavy rain with that. We'll see snow for Northern California, definitely having a big impact on travel into tomorrow. And for the Klamath Basin, snow and blowing snow, difficult travel. Be sure to tune in to News Watch 12 this morning for any school closures that might get issued and any closures of roads as well. Heavy snow, strong winds going to have big impacts on travel up in the mountains, and more mountain snow in the forecast for later this week with that next winter storm we're watching Friday into Saturday. And then in the Rogue Valley in the next couple days, rain and snow and maybe even some light accumulations as well. It does look like it will be pretty wintry here the next couple of days.